Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself had said, "This is my own, my native land." These beautiful lines are taken from Walter Scott's poem, Patriotism. In this poem, he actually defines a person who is physically alive but emotionally dead. In the last two lines, in which he said, "Who never to himself had said, 'This is my own, my native land,'" he defines that who is the person who is actually alive but emotionally dead. According to Walter Scott, a person without patriotic feeling, a person who has no love for his own homeland, is a person who is emotionally dead or dead inside. My name is Sardar Hamza. I'm your English instructor, and today we are going to discuss our second chapter, Patriotism. Thank you.